Maybe you have a Toyota Corolla and you want to open up the hood. It's real easy to do. You're just going to come around to the driver's side door. You're just going to come right down here, right where your left foot would be here. And up from there, you'll see this little tab right here. Pull that, you'll hear the hood pop in the front. And then once you come to the front, you're just going to go just to the right of center. And when you go under, you're going to feel that there's going to be a little tab right here. You'll slide that to the left and lift up. Here's that tab. Up, you're going to see on the hood right here. You have your hood holder. So you can drop it in there. Now that you have the hood open, if you need to add windshield wiper fluid, you're simply going to come right here on the left side and you'll just pour your windshield wiper fluid right in there and cap that off. Hopefully that helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't get much closer than that guy.